Present tense. There are three main verb tenses: past, present, and future. Each of these tenses can take four main aspects: simple, perfect, continuous, and perfect continuous. Present time refers to the time around the moment of writing or speaking and to general and permanent time. In this lesson, I'm going to teach you all present tense form. There are four present tense forms. Present simple. Example: I watch a movie. Present continuous. I am watching a movie. Present perfect. I have watched a movie. Present perfect continuous. I have been watching a movie. Present simple tense. This tense is used to describe an action, habit, or fact that is generally true and occurs in the present time. In a positive sentence, we use subject plus the base form of the verb and add s for the third person singular, he, she, or it. Example: he works. Negative sentence of present simple tense. If the subject in a sentence is I, we, you, or they, do not is used. In case of he, she, or it, does not is used in place of do not. So the form is I, you, we, or they plus do plus not plus verb, and he, she, or it plus does plus not plus verb. Example: I do not work. Interrogative sentence. Helping verb, do, or does, is placed at the beginning of a sentence. We use does for the third person singular, she, he, or it, and do for I, you, we, or they. Example: do you work? Interrogative negative sentence. Do plus I, you, we, or they plus not plus verb, and does plus he, she, or it plus not plus verb. Example: do you not work? We use the present simple to talk about general truths and facts. Example: I am 13 years old. Habitual events. Example: I read every night before I go to sleep. Plans. Example: our lesson starts at 10 a.m. We often use adverbs of frequency like usually, never, often, always, sometimes, in the habit, every plus time. Present continuous tense. This tense is used to describe an action that is ongoing now. The present continuous is made from the present tense of the verb be and the ing form of a verb. Affirmative sentence. I plus am plus verb ing, he, she, or it plus is plus verb ing, and you, we, or they plus are plus verb ing. Example: I am working. Negative sentence. I plus am plus not plus verb ing, he, she, or it plus is plus not plus verb ing, and you, we, or they plus are plus not plus verb ing. Example: I am not working. Interrogative sentence. We make positive questions by putting am, is, or in front of the subject. Am plus I plus verb ing is plus he, she, or it plus verb ing and are plus you, we, or they plus verb ing. Example. Is she working? Interrogative negative. Am plus I plus not plus verb ing is plus he, she, or it plus not plus verb ing and are plus you, we, or they plus not plus verb ing. Example. Are you not working? We use the present continuous to talk about actions happening now. Example. What time's dinner? Temporary activities. Example. I am staying with sister for few days. Plans and arrangements. Example. We are moving to London in June. We use time expressions like later, for a few days, always, at the moment, now, currently, present perfect. This tense is used to describe an action that has taken place once or many times before now. The present perfect is formed from the present tense of the verb have and the past participle of a verb. Affirmative sentence. I, you, we or they, plus have, plus past participle, and he, she, or it, plus has, plus past participle. Example. I have worked. Negative sentence. I, you, we, or they, plus have, plus not, plus past participle, and he, she, or it, plus has, plus not, plus past participle. Example. I have not worked. Interrogative positive. Have, plus I, you, we, or they, plus past participle, and has, plus he, she, or it, plus past participle. Example. Have I worked? Interrogative negative. Have, plus I, you, we, or they, plus not, plus past participle, and has, plus he, she, or it, plus not, plus past participle. Example. Have I not worked? We use the present perfect to talk about recently completed events. Example. I have finished my course. Experiences. Example. Noah has visited Sweden 3 times. Past events, present results. Example. Our flowers haven't arrived. We often use adverbs like for, since, never, yet, ever, already. Present perfect continuous. This tense is used to describe an experience or an action that started in the past and is still continuing till the present moment. The present perfect continuous is formed with have or has plus been in the ing form of the verb. Affirmative. I, you, we or they, plus have, plus been, plus verb ing, and he, she, or it, plus has, plus been, plus verb ing. Example. I have been working. Negative. I, you, we, or they, plus have, plus not, plus been, plus verb ing, and he, she, or it, plus has, plus not, plus been, plus verb ing. Example. I have not been working. Interrogative positive. Have plus I, you, we, or they, plus been plus verb ing, and has plus he, she, or it, plus been plus verb ing. Example. Have I been working? Interrogative negative. Have plus you, we, or they, plus not plus been plus verb ing, and has plus he, she, or it, plus not plus been plus verb ing. Example. Have I not been working? We use the present perfect continuous to talk about repeated continuing events. Example. I have been watching anime since I was 4. Recent past activities. Example. I've just been cleaning the bathroom. One continuing event. Example. She has been writing her book since 2000.